Hello everyone, this is Balaji. So in this video, we are going to discuss about one of the scattered stock today. Yeah, we all know that Adani we are going to discuss in this video. So due to some fundamental news circulating over the market, so today intraday activities is a very volatile. So percentage of variation it will be around 10 to 15% each and every stock of Adani Group. Most of the people contact me, sir, whether we are old or not, please tell me. So we are very feared out of this kind of Twitter like that. When we are look out through the technical analysis of Adani in sense, I already told to many guys it's already in overbought region. Okay, so but anyway, so what today intraday activity, what it indicates to the investors, what it indicates to the buyers is there is any changes over in a demand and supply of a technical manner. Yes, we are going to discuss about in like that. So I just taken one example, Adani Enterprises are just we are going to discuss in this video. Out of other stocks like Adani Green Power, transmission, all that not that much effective price action, not a healthy price action. Okay, so but when we look out in Adani Enterprises, price action seems very good. But today intraday activity, today closing, what it indicates to the investors is there is any selling pressure created over in higher price, in a daily or weekly time frame. Yes, we are going to discuss about in a detailed manner in a technical wise. Before that, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and support the power of price action. Okay, we just move into the video. Okay, I just taken a daily time frame chart of Adani Enterprises. So you can able to looking out today intraday activity. It was very volatile. The low would be around 1200. It was closed around 1510. So today intraday activity, what kind of signal which has given to the investors in a price action manner? What we going to understand through today intraday activity? The selling pressure happened today. Is there is any indication for further downside, or it's just a panic movement? Because due to that fundamental news circulating in the market, whether we are going to hold or not, whether we are going to buy or not. So this kind of stuff we are going to interpret in this through price action. So I just taken daily time frame, already told you. I just before that I just convert it into weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, you can able to look out that I just drawn one uptrend line. This is a secondary trend line of the Adani Enterprises. You can be able to see that the price movement which implies the rising wedge pattern. Okay, I just drawn the support line as well as the resistance line. But one beauty you can able to see today intraday, after retesting the resistance once again, it just correcting aggressively. Okay, it already in overbought region, it just shown over the chart. I just convert into daily time frame. Before that today gap down happened, it was already shown that the momentum is got slowed down. You can able to see that the candlesticks will be lower low and the impulse move. This kind of stuff is very dangerous. So already after testing the resistance, it's very crucial for selling. So one beauty, whether what kind of news, what kind of stuff today intraday, so the closing is below the support line after aggressively retracing the support of the rising wedge pattern. So it just beautifully closed above the consolidation phase. This is a consolidation. Okay, so I like this. I think this was a very big consolidation. It was around 20 or 1 month after breakout happened in 1361. So it just shoot up around 300 rupees within a 4 or 5 days. Okay, very much of buying pressure happened in this scenario after breakout happened in a long time consolidation. So what I am trying to say in this video, if the Adani in future in Adani is trading below this level, whether it just break in below this support line or closed below this line, this today low, then the price action just reversed. The daily trend of price action is getting reversed. I mean, daily trend of Adani Enterprises is just reversed. Okay, so this is a trading exit, aggressive exit position of current holders, I mean current investors also. If it not breaked below 1000, I mean this level I just exactly told that 1000 previous consolidation support, I mean resistance will be around 1345. Okay, whether in near future, near trading session, and Adani Enterprises is not able to break this level, definitely it just again shoot up. Okay, so currently it just indicating the good correction happened in a overbought region. It's not a selling pressure, just hold on, let's see. Okay, this is the current level of the Adani Enterprises. So this is the current position. I hope you can enjoy this video. Please subscribe and support. Put some positive comment over in a drop box. Okay, thank you so much guys.